Hi everyone. So I wanted to post an announcement to kind of wrap up a few things for the semester. So this is not the last video I'm going to post. I'll probably post one after the finals are submitted. But this is just kind of wrap up a few things in case you were wondering. I know I'm getting a few questions about some stuff. So I just wanted to kind of just give you a bunch of information in this announcement. Okay, so the first thing is that the article review number 4 is due on May 6th. I've already received a few of those. It's important to pay attention to the details on this one because if you're looking at your syllabus, under course schedule has like the dates and then the stuff that's due. It says article review 4 due, and it's 2 articles. The 2 articles, one is called Against Sociobiology and one is called For Sociobiology. So this one's a little different from the other ones where you just had one article. Now the length of the assignment is still the same. It's still, you know, whatever it was, 1 page double space. It's not a longer assignment, but it's 2 articles, and both articles are really short. So it's probably the same length as some of the other single articles that you read. But I just want to kind of see you kind of go back and forth between the two because one article is a response to one. So just keep that in mind. Slightly different from the other ones. The next thing is the final. So the final, or exam 3, remember that it's not cumulative. It's just what we've talked about in this third section. It's going to be similar to exam 2 where it's going to be take home. I am going to make it, so I think for exam 2 you guys had 5 essays. And most of you did perfectly well on that, but you guys just had a really long writing assignment with the research paper. So I'm going to make, even though it has to be, you're still writing a lot for the take home for the final, I'm going to make it a bit shorter than exam 2. So hopefully that's a little a little less stressful for you guys. So it will be noticeably shorter. And I will post that on May 11th. So I'm pretty sure that's a Monday, the Monday finals week. And then it will be due that Friday. So it'll be due the 15th. So you'll have the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. But you'll basically have 5 days. I don't know if I'll post it first thing in the morning on the 11th, but you'll have, so like with exam 2, you guys had 3 full days. So with this, you'll have like 4.5, if not 5 days to be able to work on that. So plenty of time. And like I said, it'll be noticeably shorter than exam 2. So plenty of time for that. And it'll be similar, you know, you'll have time to go over your notes. You can review any of the video lectures. You can use your book. You can email me questions if you have them to clarify anything. Okay. A few other things. So makeup assignments. So if you had to do a makeup exam or quiz, you should have received an email from me probably like about a week ago. I don't think I've heard back from everyone, so if you are wondering, double check your emails because I'm pretty sure I'm still waiting to hear back from a couple people on that, although some of you have responded and we've scheduled those. So if you're one of those people, just go ahead and double check your email and or reach out to me. The next thing is make sure to check your grades. So we still have like 2 more weeks of the semester, but make sure to go into, when you're looking in Canvas grades, just double check that everything looks right. So once all the finals are graded, I go through and I double check everything just to make sure I didn't miss something. But there's always the chance that I'm looking at all these grades. There's always the chance that I miss something small. So it's up to you. So just double check your own grades. If you notice anything strange, let me know. So for example, if you got a 50 on an assignment, but I accidentally typed just 5, obviously bring that to my attention. So I have an Excel spreadsheet of all the grades, and I have them all written down too. So I have a backup. So I should be able to verify that, and it shouldn't be a problem at all. The other thing is all the grades should be entered into Canvas by now. I think with the exception of the final, obviously. And then the article review 4. Everything else should be entered. Now, because it's only a few days since the research paper was due. So if you're one of those people who hasn't turned it in yet, and maybe we're just gonna turn it in late, I'm not gonna give you a 0 just yet because you still have a few days before it's a 0. So you can still get some points. But yeah, so everything else you should be able to go into the grades and look and make sure nothing looks weird. I would just say double check that and let me know if you notice anything. And then another thing is extra credit. So remember that you can do as much extra credit as you want. And now in this semester, you're probably at the point where you could probably guesstimate, okay, I've been doing pretty well on the exams. I'll probably get another A or B or whatever grade you've been getting. And you can kind of figure out your grade. So the nice thing about this class is it's out of 1,000 points, which means if you're in the 900s, you have an A. If you're in the 800s, you have a B. It's pretty easy to figure out. Now, if you think, okay, I think I'm right on the cusp of like a B plus, A minus, and maybe I want to, do some extra credit to make sure, like just to bump me over, just in case I don't do as well on the final as I think, or I don't, I don't do as well on the article review or something. This is your chance to do extra credit. So remember, all the instructions are in the syllabus, but I'll just tell you, the option that most students use is watching a documentary. You can find them on YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, Amazon. Just send me the title and get an okay from me, and then follow the instructions in the syllabus. It's a really easy assignment. You can get some extra credit points. I think that's kind of it for this announcement. Like I said, I'll probably post one. I'll still post them next week, and then probably a final one at the end of the semester. But I just wanted to kind of go over those few things. So hopefully everyone's doing well. If you have any questions, please reach out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.